What is the Shopify? Shopify is a subscription-based software that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Shopify store owner can also sell in physical location using Shopify POS, our point of sale app and hardware. If you are a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock gets synced so you can manage your store from one account, one on any device. But this is only scratching the surface. The properly answer the question, what is Shopify? It's helpful to first understand that Shopify is not a singular product. It's not just a store builder or a tool to sell your products. Shopify is a commerce platform that offers a way to quickly launch your dreams, businesses, and selling to our customers wherever they are. And if you want to customize your store or even build it from the ground up, the Shopify App Store and our APIs make that easy to do. Whether you need to get a simple store up and running today or you want to go under the hood yourself and build a unique shopping experience, shopping is built to be versatile and to grow with you. If you are still wondering what you actually get when you sign up for Shopify, keep reading. Understanding Shopify commerce platform. On any given day, a business owner needs to showcase products, engage with the customers, get paid, ship a product, and manage their day-to-day finance and operation. Some businesses use different tools to manage each of those activities and spend a lot of time and money stitching the disparate systems and data together. Alternatively, a commerce platform groups those technologies together and becomes the base upon which other application processes our technologies are developed. In other words, Shopify commerce platforms offers all of the businesses tools you will need in one familiar place. And when you and then we ensure that you can easily access and integrate any other business tools you want or need to make Shopify work for your businesses. Win a free Shopify subscription for a limited time. We're giving away 10 free annual Shopify subscriptions to 10 lucky winners, plus the grand prize winner will always get a consultation from a Shopify expert and even have their businesses featured on our YouTube channel. Watch the video for more detail. Sorry. Shopify's core product. This is what you get as soon as you buy any Shopify product. It includes everything out of the box. What you get the Shopify's core products, back office, mobile app, analytics, and reports. The Shopify App Store sports marketing platform unlock access to exclusive Shopify products and services. Shopify social media and marketplace sharing, Shopify fulfillment network, Shopify capital, conversation marketing, Pose Pro, wait there more, the Shopify App Store. Frequently asked question about Shopify. What does Shopify cost? In what country can I use Shopify? Shopify use have merchant in 175 countries.